Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The question that we are going to discuss today is the impossible coin toss puzzle. The image which you can see here has been going on viral on WhatsApp and Facebook. Have you seen this image before? If not, then you are in for a very interesting problem. Let's see what the problem is. A husband and wife are detained in different cells where they can't hear or see each other. The warden calls them both one day and proposes a game. Husband will toss a coin in his cell and wife will toss one in hers. Husband has to guess the outcome of wife's toss. Wife has to guess husband's toss. If even one of them guesses correctly, they both will be released. The couple gets to discuss a strategy before they are taken back to their cells. No tricks in tossing. The couple wins the game. The warden blames it on luck and plays again. The couple wins every time they play. What was the winning strategy? If you want to give this problem a try, then pause the video, else continue watching for the solution. Did you try the problem? Were you able to solve it? Do you think there is a strategy where both of them will always win? If your answer was yes, then you are right. Now let's jump into the solution. This is a game that warden plays with both husband and wife. They are allowed to discuss once. No tricks in tossing. Let's say the outcome of wife is W and the outcome of husband is H. Husband has to guess wife's coin toss value and wife has to guess husband's coin toss value. Even if one of them gets correct, they're allowed to leave, right? Now let's write the possible outcomes which can be there. Husband gets head on his coin toss and wife gets tail. Husband gets tail, wife gets head. Husband gets head and wife also gets head. Husband gets tails and wife also gets tails. So there are 4 possible outcomes, right? But what is the number of choices or guesses that we are allowed? 1 for wife and 1 for husband, right? So we are allowed only 2 guesses. So can you group these 4 options into 2 sets such that either of them is able to guess one set? I divide them into sets S1 and S2. Then wife guesses all the outcomes in S1 and husband guesses all the outcomes in S2. Can you do it? Let's see what the sets are. This is the partition. Here the coin tosses are always opposite of each other, and here the coin tosses always have the same value. So if one of them guesses that the value is same as his coin, then he will always be right when these 2 cases occur. And if one of them guesses that the value of the other person's coin is always different from his or her own, then he or she will always guess right. So let's see. Suppose wife guesses always her own toss and husband guesses opposite. So in case of head and tail, husband would guess tail and wife would also guess tail. Husband would guess the correct answer, right? And in case of second toss, husband would guess head and wife would guess head, right? Husband would guess the correct answer in the Set 2, husband would guess tail here and wife would guess head here. This time, wife would guess the correct one. Similarly, in the fourth case, husband would guess head and wife would guess tail and wife would guess the correct answer. So we can see that in all the four outcomes, where either of them will guess the correct answer. So there exists a winning strategy where you're always guaranteed to win. Were you able to solve it? Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.